Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the heater harness and defrost thermostat on your GE refrigerator. If you need a new heater harness and defrost thermostat for your GE refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The heater harness and defrost thermostat is used during the automatic defrost cycle. If the part fails, it can cause the automatic defrost system to stop working and the refrigerator not to cool properly. If the evaporator coil is frozen over, you'll need to wait for the frost or ice to fully melt before completing the repair. After completing the repair, you will need to allow the refrigerator to fully defrost before reassembly, as the automatic defrost system will not be able to catch up on its own. Since we will be working with the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect the power to the refrigerator. To gain access to the heater harness and defrost thermostat, you will first need to remove the upper and lower freezer drawers. Start by opening the freezer door, then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the evaporator cover in place. Then pull the evaporator cover towards you, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tabs. If the cover is frozen in place, open the freezer door and unplug the refrigerator, allowing it to thaw. Then, disconnect the wiring harness from the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Remove the defrost thermostat from the refrigerant tube by pressing on the retaining clip. There are 2 electrical connectors on the defrost heater, one here and one here. To remove them, pull firmly with needle nose pliers. This will require some force. Then, carefully route the wiring harness through the evaporator coil. Using needle nose pliers, disconnect the ground wire. If you need to purchase a new heater harness and defrost thermostat, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, route the wiring harness through the evaporator coil so that the electrical connectors align with the defrost heater. Then, reconnect the electrical connectors by aligning and pressing firmly in place. Use needle nose pliers to install the ground wire by aligning it to the metal ground and pressing into place. Install the defrost thermostat by aligning it to the refrigerant tube and pressing into place. Then, connect the electrical connector. Insert the cover into the freezer compartment and reconnect the electrical connector. Then, press until it seats back into place and reinstall the screws. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.